Roblox is a popular online gaming and game creation platform which is now accessible on Nintendo Switch. This guide provides information on how to access Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, whether you're an experienced player or new to the platform. Roblox is now officially available on Nintendo Switch, allowing you to enjoy the gaming platform smoothly on the current Nintendo Switch. There is interest in its potential performance on the next generation console, the Switch 2. The following method allows you to access the Roblox platform through the web browser on your Switch using a third-party public DNS server to prompt your Nintendo Switch to open a web browser. Note that you cannot directly play games from the Roblox website. The Roblox app is required for the gameplay. From the home page, you need to go ahead and open your system settings. From the system settings, you need to go ahead and open the network and internet. Find your registered network and open it. From here, go to Properties, scroll down, tap on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IP, then select Use the following IP address. Now, in the DNS server section, simply enter 045, 055, 142, and 122 and press an OK. Change the alternate DNS server and click on Save and press Connect. And once the switcheroo DNS page opens, click on Useful Links, find Roblox.com, and log into your account. So by following the simple steps, you can access Roblox through your Switch web browser. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.